All right. Evening. Thank you for joining. Right. Encourage me. So let's probably generally completed one round of discussion. I've just explained the remote. I've explained ventilation on the daily. Yeah. I've explained him on the appeals and SHaDE repos SHaDE or BAU and SHaDE BAU improved plus the Jira backlogs I've explained to him. Okay.
Okay, now.
Yeah, it is what we spoke about. Maybe today what we thought of Janani, development, right? Though not in full scale, at least while we touch base. I thought we could do a bit on that, right? Hope you're able to see my screen. I'm going to the camera. Change my monitor. Able to see my screen, Janani?
Yeah, screen is visible now. Actually, I'm connected through mobile.
Sure. Okay.
Maybe like disturbance might be there.
No problem. So coming here close, we can come closer there. So what we plan to do is let's go to the backlog. Maybe I don't know. There is a different sprints. What sprint I've taken? There are too many items in the backlog. This is all in sprint 3. Okay, I don't know, but we had enough bugs and improvements. I thought I'll create a new sprint, sorry, and then pick up few items, whichever we think it makes sense. Where is the latest? Here we have Janani. Right. So track all the old beneficiaries, now. Janani, just now we spoke with Guna also. Other Gunashekharan, we need to update their whereabouts. Right.
Okay.
With even what we can do, let's create their latest update current situation where they are in. Even if that helps, we can create a new task, right? Beneficiary whereabouts. We should ideally keep track of them. Yeah. Turn out to be a volunteer and or a contributor, whatever it is, right? I'm currently assigning everything to me. Administration, user, under user only we'll do it. Sprint is what? Okay, we'll do it later. And add the epic also. I told him Prasanna is missing the other guy, but we can probably have I'll explain about Jira little later. Now currently we can go ahead. Can you able to see the screen? Yes. Right. So now what we can do generally? We'll create a sprint for now today and add the most important features what we think it is appropriate, just for a quick turnaround time, just to also let me explain, right? As I told, this is the current product generally, right? Venkateshwaram. This is what we have given to public, SHaDE OGM. Whereas the other profile, what we have, other portals, SHaDE OGM/SBI, SHaDE BI improved. This is still in production. It is there hosted in the website, but not accessible to public. We have not given to any of them, right? We are only giving it to our own admin team. So maybe we can pick up few improvements here itself in this portal and see how best we can work, right? And this is the repo, shared repo. V1 is the BAU. I have also invited Janani, you are not in Jira. Maybe you can GitHub. I have invited him as a collaborator. We have also created an organization, and I need to bring it back into that I'll do later. There's something called organization in GitHub that I have created, but I need to import these repos into that, which probably I'll do later. But these two repos I have given him access. This V1 is the current prod, what is running in the production now, right? Initial. Whereas this V2 is this is what Janani, we as requested, you created a task for Jira, right? That's the call we are having it today, right? Backlog it. This is work in progress V2. That was the older next gen, but we still need to make another actual next gen. This is no longer next gen now, 2015, right? So this is what we are now looking at. We plan to make an improvement, right? Whereas this V3 is actual next gen, what you want to make. Why should V3? Yeah, but we had it here, no? But in the organization, it's on. No, I have not moved it yet. Oh, SHaDE V3 next gen. Okay. The name is different. I here gave the next gen. URL is different. Maybe it's all private repo though. Maybe we could rename it just as V3 itself or just next gen, whatever. That's okay. This we are yet to work, though I created 4 years ago. Angular, PHP, REST, etc. One more what we could do, we can create a new repository called SHaDE Mobile. That task is different, right? That bugs, etc. So what we can do, I'll invite Suresh, my ex-colleague, on to that project, which we'll do later. Maybe we can do it here. Into the org also we can create, right? Organizations. It is the latest. SHaDE org, right? 2 members. Here itself we can create it, right? Can also follow. Maybe we'll create a repo and then I loop him in where he would appear, right? Create a new repository, I'll say SHaDE Mobile. All right, SHaDE Mobile. Is fine. I'll make it private or public, doesn't matter. They can have. Does it really matter? No, right? Take PHP. Okay, this is template, right? Should be Android. License will say creating problem. Should be fine. Creating it. I'll invite others as a primarily Suresh. I'll invite. Here we can create one more repo. Probably that V1 we will allow. We will. This will create SHaDE next gen. Simply SHaDE next gen, not V3, V4, right? Generally, this is what going to be the Angular, right? Okay. This is the PHP. I'm just creating it today. I had a readme file. I forgot to add a readme file. There as well, I have not added a readme file. That's fine. This came here. Even here, can I add? I missed it. Repository. Okay, fair enough. All right, this is fine. It doesn't matter where we will go now. The other B2 is what I want to check out. I think I already have it. Let me open that, right? You're able to see it, right, Sunny? Venkatesh, you're able to see, right? I shared that one. Uh-huh. Okay, I have only shared repo V1. Let me pull out. Hope you do the same thing. Right? Sorry, I don't see that. Share. Have to go to my profile. Was it this? Share repo V2. Okay. Right. This is pure technical journey, right?
Sorry now?
This is pure technical stuff, okay?
Okay, okay.
So,
Will this video be available now? Like,
Enema?
video available இருக்குமா recording?
Yeah.
எனக்கு மொபைல்ல பார்க்கறதால ஸ்கிரீன் அவ்வளவு கிளியரா இல்ல.
Sure, no problem. It will be available, not worry. I'm recording it. Actually, this is getting recorded. So, Venkateshwar, you are clear, right? So, I've got this. Now, let's agree on one thing before I get into the code, right? Janani. So, this is the backlog. Let's go now. Maybe we go order by. So, data from August is all fine. User sensitive info should be masked for general public apart from admin. Maybe this we could do, right? Which one is more important? We would make it. Maybe we had one, right? Appeal name should be displayed.
Now, how about transaction insert page now? Because it's something we work on daily, right?
Which one?
Huh? Transaction insert page.
Okay. There we have an issue, huh?
Yeah, like I think we have identified some bugs or enhancements in the
Right,
page.
right.
We'll be using the page on a daily basis.
Wait, let me check whether it is here or SHaDE BA also. This one, right? Pull out the beneficiaries while remitting the funds. Name, email, as well, acknowledge the transaction to fund disbursement. Okay. Which demands a manual lookup of the same. Venkatesh, now you understand the reason for adding an image. When you do a non-member, currently there is no way to automatically pull out the beneficiary details while sending an email for the remittances. Okay. So then we should ask for an appeal in that case, right? We can vote for it, whether or not we are actually doing it. Let's agree on what is that. Okay, this is important, right, Janani?
Yes, ma'am.
What is that we need to do? When you say non-member, you wanna give an appeal ID. What is that you need to key? You have to input.
Probably we can start with if it is a credit or debit transaction. So if it is debit, then maybe we should list down all the beneficiary.
Yeah, that we need to
IDs.
redesign the complete transaction page. I agree.
Yeah.
That redesign. But as of now, we want to make it. I agree. Maybe the next time when we do, we will redesign it. I agree. Currently, as what it is as on date. So when you choose non-member, credit debit, obviously we will choose non-member also. So what is the key input you want to make? I'm just looking aside.
Maybe is there another option to bring up the beneficiary details? Like Shall we add a radio button for beneficiary?
Mhm. What we can do is ideally, I think, here we take beneficiary, shared beneficiary, right? What does it look like, this page?
Shared beneficiary and promoting
See the Google video, when I upload this video into YouTube, right? Few of the videos they have now stopped it, restricted it, saying that there is some sensitive information we are showing, some algorithm. So I have to remove it. I don't know. Maybe while demonstrating, we show the credentials. That they find it out, saying that no, this is sensitive information you are revealing. YouTube have stopped that or have blocked that video. So when you choose beneficiary, we do here Janani, for example, Murthy and surgery. So automatically the detail change here, right? So maybe
Yeah, but the name and email ID that doesn't get.
what we can do, for what we are trying to do, we'll acknowledge, we'll place the button there on top. So obviously you'll choose the beneficiary. When you choose this, automatically what you want to populate, anyway, there are certain fields you are populating. We want to populate to whom? Ideally, we can by default you want to populate to the beneficiary and his email ID, is it?
Yes.
No. In this case, there could be a donor who wants to contribute, a non-member. So that in that scenario, we have to type it only newly, right?
Yeah.
But you want
So
to make a debit
non-member.
transaction, is it? Debit. I think you're making sense. Let's do one thing. Transaction type and beneficiary will move it ahead. If it is debit transaction and you choose beneficiary, then automatically it should populate the beneficiaries. This one I'm saying. We'll go to
Yes, ma'am.
beneficiaries. To all beneficiaries. Assuming I choose Murthy, now it should come here. His name and email ID should be populated. Would it make sense, Janani?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. That is what.
What we can do in that case, let's add that here. I think you're there still. Okay. Venkateshwar, you are not here, huh? Still in the Jira. But I saw you. Okay. What
I
is
think
it?
in to Jira was
The
one of the.
transaction type field. Transaction type, beneficiary type, beneficiary field. Automatically populate the name and of the beneficiary, thus avoiding the manual typing of those bits. when we acknowledge a fund remittance to the beneficiary. All right. Would that make sense, Janani? This is how we'll do, correct?
Yes, no.
Okay. Now what we can do, probably this is 132. Let me create a sprint now. I don't know, I don't have sprint yet. Oh, sprint 3 is too much. I need to move all of them. I thought, I don't know where are they, whether in progress or not also, I don't know. Backlog. How do I move all of them? I think too much. Oh, here I have. Wow, great. Edit all fields as we did no status of issues. Excellent. All 97, huh? No, not all. I just need this only. 20 items. Great. Edit fields or status. I don't know. Bulk edit keep as it has any due date fixed version label parent. Affected versions also not good. Labels. I want to move them. No. How do I move them? All of them. Can I open this? Yes. Excellent. That's easy. That was easy. So where is 132? I can add that into. It is the sprint. 12th June to 19th June. 2021. Awesome. 2021. Huh? Brilliant. Let's put it as 2024 today. Till next week, I'll put up. I'll give it a week's time, right? But this is not for SBI, right, Janani? It should have been for SHaDE BAU, isn't it? Right? This task should have been created in SHaDE BAU, not SBI. Current one. Okay. I'll add this into the sprint. That's fine. Sprint 3. Okay. What next?
And in the same page, I think there is one enhancement we have been talking for a long time. Like as soon as we enter the amount, there should be a script written which should make the amount in words.
Ah, that long pending we had, na?
Long printing, yeah.
Doesn't still, but we have to, it's not working still.
No, I think we are typing it on manually.
Manually. I
Yeah.
thought we had this. Then ultimately there is a confusion, Janani. This could have gone into SHaDE BAU, not SBI, SHaDE BAU improved. Okay, I'll tackle it there. We need to create one. This repository should go there, ideally. Okay, word number 2 words, right?
Yeah, number 2 words.
Okay. First of all, in SHaDE BAU improved. SBI, we don't have an even have the acknowledgement form, right?
In BAU, right?
BA improved this portal.
No, I don't think we have. We are still
Should
using
have
the
been created there ideally. I don't know whether I can move it. Okay, let's create one. That's fine. So here I'll do. See, this is how it should have been. SHaDE BA, it should go. Right? Improvement. Let me do. Let me create it there. Okay. Parent, I don't know. That's fine. Here we have. We don't have the parent here. That's fine. I'll have to add a backlog here. But this is what? Why there is no backlog? I think it doesn't even follow the Kanban or Scrum. I have to check. Or we can even rebuild this page to be used in admin journey. It would be even more better, right?
That would be better now. Yeah.
We can rebuild the
Fixing
page.
this. Because anyways we are going to use the same functionality.
Yeah.
Credit and debit. Do the time was a radio button. This will be more efficient.
Where ma? Credit debit. And there is one more button. We have a miscellaneous. Oh, this one. Makes sense. And in that case, I'm a bit confused now. We take it here in improved or
because 2 or more options they were the split down button was helpful, but they wanted
no, that's correct. That's a good suggestion. Thank you.
One more thing is the button. You want to add a select option there, sir. Because of some general appeals, we can change the beneficiary and SHaDE. But predefinedly, this application select SHaDE only, sir. So we want to mention that select option.
Let's do that. Give me a minute. I'll add one by one. Now I'm a bit confused. Should we need to do it in now? Maybe let's do one thing.
Yes.
Why do we need to use this page? Anyways, we are only admin only using it, right? Let's redesign this page.
Yeah.
Freshly, let's design and develop. So that way we can build whatever features we want to add, we can bring it in there.
No.
Okay. I think let's take it up, discuss and demonstrate it there. But as of now, I'm taking this. We can close this with that later.
Yeah.
Okay. This is fine. Maybe we can redesign. I think that's what is gonna help. This has got a different column structure. It's a Kanban board. I don't know. Okay. What else? Maybe I think that would be helpful, right, Janani? And we can tick rest of others where we agree to take it as enhancement. We will redesign the transaction acknowledgement page. So that way, but still email is not going, right?
Well, for email, I think I have posted a comment in the backlog now. I'm not pretty sure, but I saw something like it was mentioning about a variable called from FROM.
FROM, yes.
I think most of the variables which you use in PHP pages are like this, like email from or email to, like that.
Correct.
Maybe you can just check my comment.
ठीक है. We need to check that as well.
And the error message which is currently showing in the acknowledgement page is something which we have built on our page. Like just the exception is getting thrown with the error message saying contact the host provider.
Yeah, that's correct. Not there. Yeah. What is search appeal by ID? Okay, name.
Get you the ID number.
Summary report we need to work. Janani, we actually added an epic now. If you look at it, a social media profile. Social media. Where did I there? Here it is. We just added. And user profile social media, right? Transaction details can be masked for security purpose. Yeah, this we can take now, no?
So yeah, we can take it as
Priority.
redesigning.
I'll add this in sprint 3. Anyways, I take it up, whether here or there, anyways, we are going to redesign it. So this I'm taking in sprint 3. So you find it here as well. Moment you come here, reload it, this will come here, right? I'm adding it here, right? Maybe let's do one thing, redesign the transaction page I'll create it. All right. All UA enhancement only. Administration, transaction. Sprint 3. Okay. So that will take care of it all. What else? New application search beneficiary option. This one, Janani. I think we can collect all this. And while redesigning it, right? No easy way beneficiary can be mapped to a new appeal. Though we have a drop down long search is demanded to pick up the relevant beneficiary. It will be better if we have the beneficiary to be chosen in the new application page so that manual efforts are saved. What is that? New
But
appeal.
it is there in BAU, right? Like now when we create a new appeal, it lists down the latest
Agree.
benefits.
And why it is still present? It will be better if we have beneficiary to be chosen in the new application page so that manual efforts are saved. I think it is resolved. Looks like we need to check. Okay. I'm just looking what else we can pick up now. URL page tag all necessary. Okay, this is fine. Administrative. Oh, there's no administration, no? Okay. What else? What else?
Email one, no? The email. Oh, that's
Profile appeal ID listing. Yeah, email we need to add. Yeah. Members condition file represent appeal satisfaction. What is this? Okay. This is user profile. Not confusion. This is user profile. Okay. Email, right? Here is already there, Jeremy. We have it.
Oh, okay.
You can add this sprint. So eventually we'll take care of it now, right?
Mm-hmm.
Where is the-
Okay, okay.
We have it now. Venkateshwaram. Transaction acknowledge page. Fully automated email reminders. Wrong job. Automated payment reminder emails. Okay.
I think currently we are doing this with
Yeah.
schedule.
Automated weekly backups transaction. That's correct. It's more of administration. Sensitive data. Transaction acknowledge page. Automatically suffix shared member identity. Oh, this is something we can add it. Shared member. String is explicitly manually suffixed in the remarks column. This can be automated. Where am I saying that? 2021 I added shared member. Okay. 2021, 3 years before. Okay, so if they are a member user, I think this we can take it up. Yeah. So in the redesign, it will take everything. Okay.
Mm-hmm. So it's like if a member is donating for any of the appeals, their names
While acknowledging it,
automatically-
right? So we'll append a shared member by default. Anyways, we're gonna enter this shared ID, right? Is a member or no member? If it is a member, we can get this added in the comment. Anyways, we are appending it. I think that is fine. I'll bring that up. That's great. I think it's already come. Okay, backlog. Oh, nice. The transaction redesign will come, but we are adding this automatically. What next? See, this is an important activity management. This is called sprint planning. We agree on what there are too many items in the backlog. Backlog is a diary repository where we get all the entries stored. Right? First place is sprint is a project workflow, time project duration, 2 weeks, 3 weeks we agree on. Shorter duration we develop, in which as all team members we agree, what is that we can now prioritize. What may exactly, right? Use number to word. Why it is still appearing? Okay, it should not be. Yeah, I think I have not refreshed this. Okay. Appeal view page transaction should have a credit and debit summary. What is that? Ah, this is an appeal view page. That's fine. Whenever you open an appeal, right? Here, view all appeals. Let's say new. Open this. It should have a summary. Though we say just transaction detail, we should list down. Let's say 235, 236, whatever. I think we have not collected anything. I think we should close this appeal journey. We are not able to collect any funds, right?
Yeah.
What we can say?
Cancel.
We have not updated anything. We have not collected. So audit deals will be updated today. 21.
இது clean பண்ணலாம்.
Like edit button, the discuss level.
Yes. Yes, Preeti. Okay, here is what I'm saying. Credit debit summary.
Yeah.
This would be also important. I think let's see if we can take it. I think it should be fine. We can or make it simple, but let's revisit it once later also. So this is fine. For not correct features, appeal. It's not correct features. Appeal or okay, that's fine. Appeal comment section. We need to add for every appeal, right? This is most important. We need to add a comment for each appeal. We'll do it later, not now. Okay. This is also when you list a profile, right? Appeal is being listed in members' contribution should be highlighted based on the appeal status for the quick identification. Let's see, I am the user, member home, profile, and you see the transaction, right? It shows just the appeal status, correct? List of IDs where I have contributed, yes or no? But we can categorize it. List of appeals in each status. What is running, what is closed, what is cancelled. So that way, it makes it even more easy, efficient. This is what this comment is all about, right? Dhanani, does it make sense?
Yes, sir.
So that is fine. This may not take a backseat. May take the preference now. So this is what it's all about.
No, I think the email error is mentioned in SBI 122. Sorry to interrupt. I was just able to find it there.
Yes, Janani? What are you saying, Janani? This
Yeah,
is fine.
I was just talking about the email issue now. It's listed under SBI 122.
One?
That's again 122 related to transaction details
Got it.
too.
Yeah, let me see. Right. I would take this up as well. I have to check as to why I'll take this up. Let's transaction acknowledgement workflow. We'll prioritize this. Volunteer name, that is fine. Not a big deal. But I have to only work, only person. I need to see my bandwidth. Let's see, but this is okay. We can live with this. Few things which we are not able to, we'll take it up later. Just small. This is fine. Workflow. Okay. I think this is bug type modified to credit beneficiary is chosen. This is a bug you mentioned, Janani. I think let's take.
Refresh.
I think this full feature, this itself will take sprint 3. Rest of others can take the sprint ideally. Yeah.
Yes.
This is fine. This is already we have just agreed. Okay. So far, if you look at it, let's revisit this, guys. This exercise. We have 9 issues. Let's quickly revisit. Transaction details can be masked for security purpose. It can now take place or later also. Transaction details. Where are we showing? This is UPI. It is required. Redesign, it comes a part of redesign. We don't show the full details, right? Transaction details. You understand? See the UPI detail, full ID, we don't show.
Only the transaction ID.
Not UPI, the mobile number. But it's little tricky. It shows a full mobile number.
What we do?
We need to mask it. It's a little tricky. We need to find a pattern. This is what we say, right? Full mobile number for the few transactions, which we can mask it. Only for admin user it can show fully. Yeah.
Or should we restrict based on the user? Like if it is admin, he can view all the details. For
That's
any
correct.
user, he should be able to see
Admin
only.
user are that beneficiary. And
Yeah.
donor. That's correct, John. Okay. So this is fine. What else? Transaction credit debit summary. This is small, no worries. Now number to words, it will be a part of it. Automatically state member, okay. Email is the most priority. Volunteer name along with the ID. This is miscellaneous. If needed, we can take it off. That's okay. Pull out the money, remitting the funds. This is what is.
Can we prioritize these within the spirit?
Yeah. Based on the voting.
Oh, no, just wanted to understand if there is a feature in Jira, like where we can prioritize which one.
No, that's
needs to
we
be-
take it up, Janani. Whatever order we want to take, we assign.
Oh,
If it's multiple team members, we can ask each of them to work on high priority item. Otherwise, we logically pick up. One other way
yeah.
is we can vote it. All of you, when you log in, we can vote it based on the highest voted item count. Otherwise, what I'm saying now, what we agree, this is the major item. This is second. The miscellaneous low-hanging fruits are this. Transaction detail to be modified for security purpose as of now. And time bandwidth does not allow. And this volunteer name to be displayed along with the ID. These two can take a backseat. Rest everything, and this appeal credit debit summary. These three can be pulled off. Remaining six can be a part of this. Okay. I think what I can do.
For the number to.
You have to not vote. Vote means you have to go there and click.
No, okay.
That's fine. You log in.
So I am not in the Jira.
You have to log in. I need to invite you. Wait. But I think I invited you, isn't it?
No. We just spoke that we need to invite him, but I don't think we did.
Venkateshwaran, right? Don't spell out. I think it will be now this. I'll do it later because it will be not YouTube then restricted. Any personal confidential ID we should not display. Password, email, etc. That makes sense. So they don't let us upload this video into YouTube. So I'll add you after we stop the recording. I'll get you added. You vote for it. What I'm planning to do now. Go to this release also we need to create. Of course, I'll create a release and we need to tag it. Let me do that. This is V18. I don't know what is that V18. Let me create version one more. I don't know, V19. Let's put that 1993. 28. Okay, 21. End date is 28. Next week we'll discuss, we'll agree on, right? All right. V19. I know 18 releases has gone in. Let's see. I think 3 years before I did. Whether it is, I don't know, it is still unreleased. I have to check this, guys. I don't know. I'm not sure what is that V18 list of items what we had. I think that we can close it. Those items, maybe older one. You remember I moved them to backlog. So what we need to do, go to sprint 19, edit all of them, no? Field. Where is the release date? Fixed version. Yeah, here it comes, V19. Let's add this file. send email. Each issue every bulk operation. So, okay. So all of them will be added into this bulk action. Okay, great, 9 issues. So if you open any of them, you would see done now. V19 fixed version, right? So we got this. I can work on it, but how do I think I should start the sprint, edit sprint, backlog. I should, epic is fine, labels, okay, version. Okay, I'll start the sprint as well. Getting it, okay. Complete sprint is there, sprint 3. How do I start the sprint? It should be very easy. Why I'm not getting that backlog? Likewise, okay. I think it's already started. You come here, here it is, the items are. I can move on it and then work accordingly. No problem, right? Then we can complete. So next week we can connect. I'll walk you through what changes I made, not the development, but actually testing, and then we'll take it up. Okay?
Yeah.
Thank you, guys. Janani, I'll stop the recording.
Okay.